Hi guys, my grandson found this in my stock of things to do and decided he wanted to make it. Cost me 99p originally in a charity shop. Make Your Own KNOTBOT by DK Robots. Everything was in the kit and we made it, but we didn't actually video us making it. So all I can show you is us testing it, and it worked. It worked fine. We could have done with a bit more space so it could run round because it kept getting hidden underneath the table. You'll also notice my grandson was doing some of the filming, so it does shake around a little bit. Still, here we go. You notice it changed direction? It's not going to change anymore because the string's wound up.
That's 2 weeks.
Oh, it's wound itself up, it's got tight. It's jammed. Keep going.
Where my mum is flown.
Time is coming over here. That's not fair. A little bit more. Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.